That's the piece of skirt that's in the box. Not that I can see. This cap is cleaning up beautifully. This one, not so much. Some a little bit of gouging there too. Why you want to make sure to get them really clean so you can inspect them. Spray a little on there. And these are the pistons going in the Centra. Now let's see how they come out. Rub them down with a paper towel a little bit. These were in the 2001 Altima that I boosted with a Mitsubishi turbo. 10 to 12 psi boost, and I'm pretty sure these were 9.5 to 1 compression as opposed to 9.2 because the top ring gap is so much higher, and also because the horsepower rating on the 2001 is higher than on the 99. I got it from somewhere. When did they start putting ethanol in fuel? Whenever that happened, may have been when they changed the compression ratio. Yeah, this is looking great. Let me order some piston rings for these and start working on getting that one put back together. Yeah, they're going to have to soak some more too. Alright, I'll spray them down, all of these, a few more times. And I'm going to steal a cap. Put that in there later on. See, these are the ones that came out of the 99, and I'm surprised at how little buildup there is on them. I mean, look at that. It just cleans right up. That and the unusually long ring gap on these, or wide ring gap on these, was making me wonder whether this motor had been refreshed at some point in the past. You know what I should have done? I didn't think about this. I should have used the abrasion from the ring to clean it. Well, nope, I take that back because it does not want to move. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. This is going to be a replacement for that. Okay. Good night.